Data entry remote jobs are one of the most searched work-from-home opportunities online. And honestly, it makes sense. The idea sounds simple. You sit at your laptop, enter information into spreadsheets or company systems, work from home, avoid the office commute, and earn money without needing a degree or years of experience. But there is a catch. Data entry remote jobs are real, but they are also one of the most competitive and scam-heavy areas of remote work. So if you are searching for one, you need to know what is legitimate, what is suspicious, and how to make yourself stand out. At its core, data entry is about taking information from one place and entering it accurately into another. That could mean updating customer records, entering invoice details, uploading product listings, cleaning spreadsheets, organizing CRM data, checking medical records, or moving information from scanned documents into a database. It sounds simple, but companies care a lot about accuracy. One wrong number in an invoice, one incorrect address, one duplicate customer record, or one missing field can cause real problems. That is why the best data entry workers are not just fast typers. They are careful, organized, and consistent. There are different types of data entry remote jobs too. Some are basic data entry clerk roles. Others are more specialized, like e-commerce product data entry, CRM data entry, healthcare record support, accounting data entry, or AI data labeling. If you are new, general data entry can be a good place to start. But if you want better opportunities, try to connect data entry with another skill. For example, learning Shopify can help you apply for product listing jobs. Learning HubSpot or Salesforce can help you apply for CRM assistant roles. Learning Excel and QuickBooks can help you move toward bookkeeping support. Learning healthcare terminology can help you move toward medical records roles. That is the real secret. Data entry can be a starting point, but it should not be your final destination. Now let's talk about skills. Typing speed matters, but accuracy matters more. A good goal is around 40 to 60 words per minute with strong accuracy. But do not just say, "I am a fast typer" on your resume. Say something specific, like, typing speed, 55 words per minute with 97% accuracy. You should also learn Excel and Google Sheets. You do not need to become an advanced analyst, but you should know how to sort data, filter columns, remove duplicates, freeze rows, format cells, use simple formulas, and create drop-down lists. These small skills make you much more useful. You should also be comfortable with Google Drive, PDFs, email, Slack, Zoom, and basic project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com. Depending on the job, you might also use CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce, e-commerce tools like Shopify, or accounting tools like QuickBooks. But here is where you need to be careful. Scams. If a data entry job promises huge money for almost no work, be suspicious. If someone messages you out of nowhere on WhatsApp or Telegram, be suspicious. If they ask you to pay for training, buy equipment from a specific vendor, deposit money, use crypto, or cash a check and send money back, that is a major red flag. A real employer pays you. You do not pay them to get hired. The FTC has warned that work-from-home job scams often target people looking for easy remote income. And data entry is one of the categories scammers love because it sounds beginner-friendly and believable. So how do you get hired for real data entry remote jobs? First, create a focused resume. Do not just write hard worker. Mention accuracy, spreadsheet skills, file organization, CRM updates, confidentiality, and your typing speed. Second, create a simple sample project. Make a fake spreadsheet, clean it, remove duplicates, format it nicely, add drop-downs, and create a short summary tab. This gives employers proof that you can actually do the work. Third, search smarter. Do not only search data entry remote jobs. Search for remote records clerk, CRM assistant, operations assistant, product listing assistant, invoice entry clerk, database assistant, and virtual assistant, data entry. Fourth, apply carefully. Use the words from the job description. If the company mentions Excel, confidentiality, and CRM updates, mention those in your application. Finally, think long-term. Data entry can help you get into remote work, but the better paying opportunities usually come when you add another skill. Data entry plus Excel. Data entry plus bookkeeping. Data entry plus CRM. Data entry plus e-commerce. Data entry plus healthcare admin. That is how you turn a basic remote job into a career path. And if you want a better way to explore remote opportunities, HireBasis can help connect job seekers and employers in the remote workspace. For job seekers, it is a place to find remote roles and build visibility. For employers, it is a way to scout remote talent for admin, operations, data entry, and virtual assistant support. So yes, data entry remote jobs are real. But the smartest applicants do not chase every random typing job online. They build skills, avoid scams, prove their accuracy, and use data entry as a doorway into better remote work.